Hello and welcome. In this video, we will cover the purpose of the GoGreen Learning Cockpit, understanding the various graphs and data tables, and how to review a past month. The GoGreen Learning Cockpit is designed to help you evaluate if you are on track to meet your set sustainability targets and determine which actions need to be taken to improve your results, both short and long term. Access the page from the GoGreen module. Choose your resource and click here. This screen is pre-populated with figures and graphs. PMI best practice is to review the GoGreen learning page for each resource once a month, evaluate the past month's results, and consider actions to implement going forward. So how do you do this? Choose the resource you want to review. The donut shows the categories breakdown, and in this example, it's displaying electricity and heating. You want to see the consumption. The category breakdown are the resources from the energy cockpit. If you want a more detailed analysis of a specific category of the resource, select it in the donut and all the graphs on the screen will update to show you exactly that resource. And the box plot graph displays how your property's consumption of energy compares to peers in your hotel chain. The goal is to always be lower than the median. The period pace to target graph displays the actual consumption for the selected period compared to the target and all historical months, allowing you to evaluate the pace to reach your year-end goal. Are you on pace to reach your year-end goals? What is the main cause for any deviation? Peak time demand, the heat map, shows the average hourly consumption where the highest value is indicated by the deep dark blue color and the lowest by the soft white color. Use this to evaluate at what times of the day your property is consuming the most and consider ways to reduce consumption at these times. The biggest misalignment comparison displays the days in the selected period with the most significant deviations from target. What are the main causes? Consider if the cause is due to overconsumption or if the target set was unrealistic. And below you find in-depth composition, peak demand, and alignment analysis on a daily breakdown. Use this to dig deeper into exactly which days are causing deviations from targets. And that's it. Review the GoGreen Learning Cockpit once a month to gain more insights into your property's environmental impact and improve your sustainability management. Thank you and take care.